If your LG NanoCell 4K TV won't turn on even when the red light is on, or if the red LED is flashing, maybe it turns on but you can't see anything except black screen, then I'll show you how you can fix this issue on your LG webOS TV by following some simple steps. So let's begin. First, we'll take a look at the red power or standby LED that's on the bottom panel of your TV. If it is turned on, then first we'll try using our remote to turn our TV on. If that doesn't work, we'll use the onboard power button to turn on our TV. It should be right alongside the power LED. If your TV turns on this way but not with your remote, then it's probably your remote that's not working. So we need to troubleshoot your remote first. You can try changing the battery to a new one and make sure that nothing is blocking the IR receiver, which can cause your remote not to work. And that should fix any issues with your remote. But upon pressing the power button, if the LED goes off but you don't see anything on your LG TV screen, then you can try heating up the panel, and sometimes that should fix it. Because sometimes if you live in a cold environment or if you have the AC turned on, then the panel may become cold and may not turn on. So you can simply try using a hairdryer to heat up your TV panel, and then your screen should turn on without any issues. Now if the red light doesn't turn on at all, then we'll ensure that our LG TV has power and also cold boot our TV in the process. Unplug the power cord from the socket and the back of your TV. Now check the cable for any damage, and you can also try a different cable and see if that works. But before turning on the TV again, we'll let it sit for about 5 minutes without power. This will cold boot our TV and may fix any bugs that's causing this issue. After that, we'll firmly connect the power cable again and turn our TV back on. Now the TV screen should work. If you're still seeing black screen after the TV turns on, if the power LED keeps flashing and your TV still doesn't turn on, then unplug the power cable again, disconnect any HDMI devices such as consoles, computers or TV box from it, and then turn back your TV. If your TV turns on now, then there may be some issues with your HDMI device. Unfortunately, even after following all these steps, if your TV still doesn't turn on, then this may be a hardware issue. In that case, you'll need to send your TV in for repairs. Hope this video worked out for you. Do leave your feedback and I'll see you later.